Hello and welcome to Car Solutions online store. We are currently in a Nissan Leaf car. Our task was to connect a rear view camera. It was not previously installed, as shown on this photo. We used our plug-and-play cables to connect this rear view camera. The camera is already connected to the 40-pin socket, which looks like this. It is not properly installed at the moment. We just connected it for testing. Let's switch to the reverse and see how it works. The connected camera should work as an OEM one. So, let's start the car, and now you can see the OEM message, check surroundings for safety, on the camera image. Parking lines from the camera itself are displayed as well. However, we can also display parking lines from the head unit, and then adjust them. So, let's switch to parking. In order to enter the service menu, you have to press this button until audio off message appears. Then, press the map button 3 times. Press the off button twice, and then the map button one more time. In this menu we can see different options, among which there is a camera option. This is the option that allows you to adjust parking lines that will be displayed over the image from the connected aftermarket rear view camera. We can move it sideways, lift it up or down. Afterwards, it will be displayed on the camera image. That's pretty much it. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and see you soon!